guys, and welcome back to Robot Brick and Cube Productions. And today we're gonna be unboxing the, let's see what it's called. I think it's Chi-Yi, yeah, Chi-Yi cubes from 2x2, 3x3. What is this again? This is the Scoob, Pyraminx, and Megaminx. Okay, let's get started. So let's start with the 2x2. And let's open it up. And also the 3x3 looked kind of small to me. So I opened it up and this is what's inside the box. So out comes the pamphlet that shows you how to solve the 2x2, I think. Yep, it's little. And then we have the 2x2 itself. Wow, it's okay, I guess. So it is pretty noisy, but that's pretty good. I just gotta get used to it. So, wait. So basically, yeah. First turns. It feels pretty smooth, like a speed cube, but it's also like rigid at the same time. So yeah, but this set, this 5-pack, was only like what is it? Like only around $30 for 5 cubes. So that's pretty worth it. But it doesn't have magnets, but I'm okay with that. So yeah, you got the logo right there. And that's about the 2x2. Let's try corner cutting. Okay, I didn't expect a 2x2 to corner that much, but I'm like right about there. Okay, yeah, just a little bit. Let's set this off to the side. And the weird cube, the 3x3. Why is this so small? Like, here's the GAN 356R, or 356R. And look at this. The GAN 356R is already like really big. So let's see about this 3x3. So let's open it up. This one has a different packaging than the others, which is kind of weird. Because the others have like this lid right there, and this one doesn't. So again, the instruction manual, or the pamphlet, set that off to the side. And here comes the 3x3. Oh my gosh, I didn't expect that. That's kind of weird. Oh man, is this a ball core? Come on, man. What? Can this actually be a ball core? Wait a second. It doesn't feel that fast, but it is fast. But it is kind of noisy. So the lid pops off. And I guess that we unscrew right there. Oh, the lid actually fits pretty nicely. It's not like a snap, it just fits on. So let's try the donut pattern. Okay, the shapes look pretty nice, I guess. And the centerpiece is okay. The centerpiece is not really round, as you can see. It's like an octagon-ish shape. So, but that doesn't really bother me. And that's about the 3x3. So now I have 3 3x3s. Set that off to the side. And here's the Scoob. I never actually played a Scoob before, so this is actually my first time playing the Scoob. Oh, and the 3x3, it's better than the Rubik's brand, but it's actually worse than the GAN 356R, but that's okay. Okay, so the Scoob is, so it turns like this, and that's all. So I guess you can turn this. I don't know, I saw some people turn this. Turn the corners. but this one can't, which is kind of weird. So it shape shifts, I guess. And yeah, that's, I don't even know how to do corner cutting on this. Oh, also the 3x3 can't even corner cut 45. Ugh. I think this might be a ball core. It says it's a speed cube. I mean, come on, man. But, can't turn this. Let's see if the pamphlet can turn. It shows you that it can turn. It's actually still pretty good, but, so I guess, can you even turn a corner piece? Okay, yeah, I guess it can't turn, but that's probably Scube. I'm not sure. I haven't played Scube before, just like I said. But yeah, that's about it. Pyraminx time. Let's take it apart. I also haven't played a Pyraminx, so I'm not sure how it will be. All of these have pan flips that show you how to solve them, which is pretty cool. And here's the Pyraminx. Oh my gosh. Okay, it does have a snapping sound. So it does sound like it has magnets. See? It just snaps. It just snaps in place. And the tips, I don't think they have magnets, but anyways, you can do stuff on this. It does have a really loud clicking sound. So yeah, it's probably gonna have magnets and this big hole in the middle. And I don't know if you can see, but you can see actually like a yellowish core. That's a spider core, because I just saw it. And it turns pretty nice, I guess. So not much to say about it. I don't know how to do corner cutting on these, but maybe like this. Is this how you do a corner cut? I don't know, but it can't. So another logo right there. All of these have TE logos on it. See, a logo, logo, and a logo. So yeah. On to the Megaminx. I hope this one has instruction manuals in it, because I really can't solve it. Oh man. Alright. Wow, just look at it. It doesn't look sticker, but it is sticker ones. So all of these are stickers. Oh, that's heavy. I haven't tried a Pyraminx. I mean, not Pyraminx, a Megaminx before. But that is pretty cool. I was surprised how small the 3x3 is. Like, oh, that's Pyraminx. But the 3x3 is almost as big as the Megaminx. So it does have a loud sound, but not so loud. So the same color shades for every Megaminxes. So we'll review over the boxes later. Oh, okay. There. Yes. The instruction manuals. I think they're all in Chinese, but this is how the Megaminx looks like. I don't think you can twist the corner. Oh yeah, you can definitely twist the corner on this one. Yeah, that is so easy. But that's not really a big deal. TE cube. You can peel this weird thing off. I don't know why. I don't know if you can see it, but there's this circly. Wait, focus, Mr. Camera. Okay, there's this little plasticky thingy that I think just comes off. You can peel it off if you want. I'm not going to. But this is a nice 5-pack to add to my collection. Let's try some weird things. Okay, that just got stuck, but still pretty good, I guess. And here is Max Bulk 4.744 5 seconds. Anyways. So it is kind of rigid, but here, yeah. So definitely the Rubik's is worse, but this is rigid, but that's okay. So here are the 5 cubes. Why can people on YouTube turn this thing? Can you even turn this? I don't know. How am I supposed to know? Oh, I think this one also has, yeah, this one has magnets in it. It just locks in place. And I'm surprised this is only around $30. So, that's all the cubes. 2 magnetic. This one's magnetic, this one's magnetic. I don't know about this one. Yeah, this one's totally not magnetic. Let's try an alg on this. Wait, no. So that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the instruction manuals that I piled over here. So what is this? This is a 2x2. It says R, R prime, F, F prime, L, L prime, B, B prime, U, U prime, D, and D prime. Okay, I think they're just making the things. Oh, there's an English translation of this. So Chinese, English, nice. That's about it. It's pretty small compared to the Dan pamphlet right here. Ugh. And this is the Pyraminx one. Let's use the 3x3 one first, although I know how to solve that one. What? So this 3x3 pamphlet is like this. It's long. It's not like the other ones where it's like wide. This one's long. So we'll take a look at that later. And here is the Pyraminx tutorial. So English, yeah, English. Pyraminx tutorial. Mofang G, I'm not sure about that, but it just shows you how to solve it. And let's go Scube tutorial. So it seems like the Scube can't turn, like right here, like right there, but that's okay. And yeah, and last but not least, the Megaminx tutorial, yay! Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Okay, all the words are so tiny here. What? Where is the English translation? There's no English translation on the Megaminx tutorial. Come on, see, Chinese and English. I mean Chinese. So nothing is English there. And why does this camera keep going out of focus? And here is the box for the 2x2 here. There are 2 versions. One is the version that I have. That is the black outline, and this is the white outline. And same with the 3x3 Max Bulk Sail W. Black base and white base, 6 and up. TE Toys, more than just a professional speed cube. Okay, where's the Scube package? Here, this is the Scube package, same thing. So we just put the Scube in here, and then there are Scubes. Pyraminx, Max Bulk, and different types of Pyraminx. Megaminx, different type of Megaminxes they sell. Max Bulk again, and Chinese stuff. Well, this is actually a nice add to my collection, and just like I said, I'll just look back to the 3x3 one. So center pieces, edge pieces, and corner pieces. What does it show? So it doesn't show F2L. Actually, does it? Does it show CFOP? Okay, I don't know, it doesn't say, but probably talks about how to solve the cube. So overall, these cubes are great, and it's an awesome add to my collection. 5 cubes. Well, not cubes, because this is a triangular prism, and I don't know what this is called, but it's heavy. That one's heavy. And just gotta take some time to get used to that. And so it still can overshoot, although it has, oh, sorry about that noise. Although it has magnets. And this cube, nice. So overall, these cubes are great. And I'll see you in my next video.